Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Mr. P. You know what, guys, I was just actually going through the chart and I was so happy. I saw a perfect formation. Now it's called what? It's called a perfect shoulder formation. Now those are my VIP, they actually understand what I mean by perfect shoulder formation. Now look at this particular line. Can you see this line I just drew here? This is my perfect shoulder. Can you see what happened? Now this line is crossing like this from here, and it's crossing just the middle of this guy here. Can you see? And it's giving me a perfect shoulder. Now look at something. I'm looking at this for my 4 hours, right? For my 4 hours time frame. Look at something, guys. Now this particular guy actually moved from here, right? It started moving from here. It's moved and covered all this distance and got to this spot. Now look at this spot. This spot is a really nice spot because look, now when I join these two guys like this, it gives me a really smooth formation, right? It gives me a really smooth formation, and you'll be imagining. So what do you mean by a really smooth formation like that? Watch. Now it's going to be clearer now. Look, when I join these two guys, right? I simply come and add another guy to it. I draw it again to it, right? Now I pick one out of it and take it to this spot. Can you see what it gave me? It's giving me what? A perfect shoulder. Can you see? It's blending together, guys. Whenever you see a blending like this, now look at something. It's not finished. I will come again and add another one to it, right? And add another. Okay, they are equal, right? So I will just take one and place it at this spot. Can you see? It's giving me what? It gives me a 3 stripe. Now, whenever you see a 3 stripe like this, this is a perfect shoulder formation. Those are my VIP. They actually understand what I mean in such a way that when I join these two guys together, this guy crosses through this guy and gives me a perfect what? A perfect 3 stripe formation, which is my what? My perfect shoulder. What do I know now? I know that whenever I have a formation like this guy is just going to keep moving down until it gets to what? Where my third stripe is, right? Where's my third stripe? Is at this spot. I'm just going to draw it like this. This guy becomes my TP, just like that. But guys, you know, I don't like holding trades for long. When I'm recording a video, I don't like holding trades for long because it doesn't make sense holding trade for hours. Of course, you won't watch that. So I'm just going to be taking short trades because I'm going to go to my 1 minute time frame now. My 1 minute time frame. I already know that even if I don't want to hold this trade for long, I know I can hold it until until it gets to my where my third stripe is here, right? I can decide to leave at this spot if I want, or I can decide to just scalp all the market and leave. Okay, let me take it to the 4 hours back. I can decide to scalp all the market and leave at this spot, right? And leave at that spot, right? Good. That place will just be a perfect TP. Now, whenever you see a 3 stripe like this, guys, it's just a perfect trade to enter. Okay, now look at something, guys. Now, what do I do now? I know that this stuff will keep going down, even if I'm to take a short trade. I know it will keep going down until it hits this spot. It might spike, it might give little spikes and just keep going down, of course, until it hits this spot. Then it can then spike up a little, then continue until it hits my my TP that I just showed you at this spot if I track it. Right? Good. So I will just be taking a short trade here. So I will just take on, let me just take on a 6. Okay, let me just take on a 6. I'm going to take on a 6 there. I'm just going to take on another 6. I still have nice free margin. I can't add anymore. Okay, but then it's okay like this, right? I still have nice free margin, so I'm still safe and all. So it's just cool like this. So guys, this is just how this stuff goes. So I can just go to my 1 minute time frame now. If I take it like this, I just know that what I will be looking for now will be my second line, which is this line, which is so visible on my on my 4 hours time frame. Now when it hits this line, when I see this line on my 1 minute time frame, I just know that I'm out. But for the now, I can't see the line. For the now. It's just down. So I know that this guy we keep going down. Forget about this guy that is here. Where is it? Where is it? I'm coming. This guy that it's here. forget about it. You are thinking it will spike at this spot, right? But of course it will spike because what? It's a perfect what? It's a perfect shoulder. So there's no way that guy will spike at that spot. So if you're planning on catching a spike there, that means sorry, you will just lose money for nothing. That's why you have to understand how things work. Okay, you have to understand how these stuffs work. You have to what I can understand how the three stripes work. Okay, how the perfect shoulder works in such a way that if I want to see on my entire stuff, I can just go to my 5 minutes. It's clearer on my 5 minutes. You can imagine the number of minutes I'll be holding this trade for. I'll be holding this trade for several minutes, even up to like 2 or 3 hours, right? And it will just keep going. That I'm not saying it won't spike, it will spike, but I will never be on any loss. That's the beauty about it. But even before this stuff ends, before this video ends, you won't see even a single spike because it has not even moved at all. It's just crossing my perfect stripes. It's just crossing it. So there will be no spike anytime from now. It's not even possible for any spike to occur anytime from now. Okay, so if you look at it now, I'm currently on profits now already. They're already moving. They're currently on $8 each, just like that, guys. Now, see, remember that. Look at something, guys. Now, if you don't like holding trades, maybe your capital is so low, you don't want to hold the trade, you don't want any spike to catch you, then it's so easy. What you just need to do now is to just come here and place your horizontal. I like doing things so that it favors everyone, not just for those with large capitals. I like doing things for those also who have some normal low capitals or something like that, in such a way that you can just come, you can use your 5 minutes or your 1 minute time frame, but it's easier using your 5 minutes time frame. Just come to this spot. Can you see the spot where it is? Now place your horizontal here, okay? Now come to this spot again. Come to this spot again where you have this. Can you see where I am placing this stuff? Good. Place your horizontals there. Now, when it crosses your first horizontal, the first horizontal at the top is a really high resistance zone, right? It's a really high resistance zone. It's showing that there might be a spike at that spot. A spike might occur at that spot. Now, if it doesn't occur at that spot, then I know that what I'm calling it, then I know that the next spot, a little spike is possibly going to happen before it goes down to hit my third stripe, right? I already know that. So that's just how it goes, guys. That's just how it goes. Now, in such a way that if you actually don't want any spike to catch you, now when you see it getting to this line at about this spot, you can just simply leave. Okay, you can just simply leave the trade, right? Now, immediately crosses and gets to at about this spot. Go in again. Just go in again. Take it again. When it gets to at about this spot again, leave the trade. When it gets to about this spot, enter again. If you don't want any spike to catch you at all. So that's just how it goes, guys. But then if you have some nice capital, just relax, place your TP at where I showed you, go to your 4 hours time frame, just draft out this stuff like this, or you can place your first TP at this spot, this particular spot. You can place your TP1 at this top side and your TP2 at that downside. That's if you have a large capital. So if you don't want to escape any spike, you just want to take trade, place TP and just go and relax and watch movies or something. So that's exactly how you go about that. So that's just how it goes, guys. So I guess that's it, guys. For the now, I don't like my videos being too long. So as you can see it, I'm already having a profit of 53 and what I can, and it's just still moving like that, guys. So you can see my profit is just increasing just like that, guys. All you just need to do is to just follow some simple rules of trading, guys. Remember, you can I have free robots and indicators. You can actually you can actually just send me a screenshot of any robot and indicator that you want. I will send them to you just like that, guys. So just remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell, guys. So that's just how it goes. Remember, I have free seminar videos on boom and crash just like that you can actually use to understand things better, because these videos are very short, but my seminar videos are so long. All you just need to do is to subscribe to be part of this team, guys. It's a bye for me, guys. Peace.